Hey Eva.
Hi Franz.
How are you?
Not so good today.
What happened?
My bike broke.
Oh.
That's why I bought some spare parts for my bike.
Huh? So you always buy new things, yes?
Yeah, you know me, but this time it was needed.
Alright.
So let's see what's inside.
Yeah, let's unbox it.
Okay. So.
Wow.
Ooh, that's nice. Okay.
Definitely, it's well protected.
Oh yeah, it is. Let's open it. Ah, wow.
So,
Ooh.
this is the axles for the bike, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
That's right.
There is different models that are packed in the same thing, yeah?
I think there are like lots of models, but I only needed this one, so yeah, that's how it
Perfect.
arrived.
Then I hope you'll be soon on the road again.
Yeah, I hope so too.
See you around.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.